Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the Android 11 update which I have been received in the Mi10 Lite device. So this is a special video, friends, only on the Android 11 update, which the most of the MIUI mobile phones they will be receiving this kind of update very soon. So this is the first phone which I have received right now. So this is a model name Mi10 Lite 5G variant. So I do have so many POCO and so many Redmi phones, MI phones with me. So I'll be waiting for the update of the stable Android 11 update. So right now you can see, friends, it's running Android 10. So just today I did receive the update of the Android 11 update, and so that I try to explain what is the size of the update and what are the features it did mention during this kind of update. So as I said, I did have the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G variant and POCO X3 smartphone and POCO M2 Pro and even the POCO F2 Pro as well. So there is a POCO F2 Pro which I am using. So there are so many phones which I am currently waiting for this Android 11 update. So once I do the update, I'll try to even test the battery life and what are the features it does include, so I can compare both phones side by side as well. So right now you can see, friends, this is the Android version, MIUI 12 version, so 12.1.1. so maybe anything which starts with the 12.1 might be the Android 11 update, I think so. So right now, as you can see, the size is of 2.7 GB. That's a huge size for the stable update, 2.7 GB, and the stable Android 11 update, as you can see, friends, clearly. So right now I'll be trying to download this update and I'll try to test the what are the features. So is there any improvement in terms of the MIUI functionality or not? So is it any speed improvement in terms of performance or not? So I'll try to test all of those features in the after using the mobile phone for a couple of days. So then I'll come to back again. So I'm still waiting for the update, friends, in the other smartphones as well. So definitely as soon as I get the Android 11 update in the other smartphones, I'll try to make a video on that one. But before that, if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe, and also please do like this video, friends, and also share my videos with your friends and help me to grow very much faster my YouTube channel. And as I said, I'll be downloading this update and I'll be testing right now. So today and tomorrow I'll try to test complete Android 11 functionality and what are the different things I can find here. So if there's something new, I'll definitely try to make a video on that topic as well. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.